Greetings from Right Bite Orthodontics. This is Dr. Harsh Pandey, specialist orthodontist. I'll be talking about retainer types and their maintenance. After orthodontic treatment, maintaining your teeth in the jaws in the correct position with retainers is critical. After the first few months of full-time retainer wear, most patients will move to nighttime wear only on their retainers. At Right Bite Orthodontics, we offer many different retainer options and often adapt these retainers to your individual needs. The three most common types of retainers you will be able to choose from are the removable Holly's retainer. The advantages of it being are that they last a very long time, can be tightened or repaired, allow the bite to settle into a more comfortable position over time, can be custom designed with many colors, logos, etc. The disadvantages being do not cover the biting surface of the teeth, so do not protect against grinding. Allow slight movement of teeth, are more expensive to replace, more noticeable visually as the metal wire can be seen. Bulky coverage of the palate is bothersome to some patients, can be lost or broken. The other option is number 2, removable clear plastic retainers. The advantage being hold the teeth in the exact position they were moved to. Protect the teeth against wear from grinding, almost invisible, are less expensive to replace than other retainer options. If slight movement occurs, wearing them full time can help move the teeth back into the proper position. The disadvantages are don't last as long as the other retainers, are easy to lose because they are so clear. The third option is the bonded permanent retainers. The advantages are can last for many years if properly maintained, can't be lost as they are permanently glued in. The disadvantages are much more difficult to clean, brush and floss. Care must be taken not to eat things that are too hard. Now I will be sharing some important information on wearing of your retainers. Wear your retainers at all times until the doctor instructs otherwise. Take your retainer out when eating and always put it back in its case. Clean the retainers thoroughly once a day with a toothbrush and water. Use warm but not hot water. Brushing retainer removes the plaque and eliminates odors. When your retainer is not in your mouth, it should be always in its case. Pets love to chew on them. Initially, you may find it difficulty in speaking. Practice speaking, reading, or singing out loud to get used to it faster. Retainers are breakable, so treat yours with care. If your retainer gets lost or broken, call us immediately. If you have any question or concerns about your retainers or you believe it needs adjusting, call us. Do not try to adjust it yourself. Always bring your retainers to your appointments. Retainer replacements are expensive, but with proper care, they can last for years. Remove your retainers when you are swimming. Keep retainer away from hot water, hot car dashboards, pockets, the washing machines, and napkins. Thank you.